A Tesla fan from Bosnia took matters into his own hands and transformed a Ford F-150 Raptor into a Cybertruck. The conversion was done by a team of IT specialists and engineers working at the owner's company, Stark Solutions. It took them 8 months to disassemble the F-150 Raptor truck and build a body that looks similar to the Tesla Cybertruck, although it's not identical to the angular truck that Elon Musk unveiled in 2019, and it clearly doesn't feature all the smart tech. It's a clone that might fool a few people from believing it's the real deal. The Ford Cybertruck, when driven through the streets of Mostar, drew a lot of attention. The truck continues to feature the drivetrain of the Ford F-150 Raptor, so power comes from a 3.5-litre V6 at 450 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque. There's no electrification whatsoever, so the conversion is just about the looks. Stark Solutions is still trying to register the vehicle.